Have you got a new Amazon Echo Show and want to know how to turn the device on and off? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Turn on the Amazon Echo Show. To turn on the Amazon Echo Show, connect your Echo Show to a power outlet using the original power adapter. The Echo Show should automatically turn on once it's plugged in. You will see the Amazon logo on the screen as it boots up. Method 2. Turn off the Amazon Echo Show. To turn off the Amazon Echo Show, simply unplug the power adapter from the Echo Show and the power outlet. This will completely turn off the device. There is no dedicated power off button on the Echo Show. Unplugging it is the only way to turn it off completely. Method 3. Disable the screen. If you only want to disable the screen without powering down the device, you can use Alexa. To do that, simply say, "Alexa, turn off the screen." To turn the screen back on, just touch the screen or use the wake word Alexa. Your Echo Show is designed to stay on and respond to voice commands at any time. And there you have it, the ways to turn on and off an Amazon Echo Show device. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.